Guys, hindi ako makapaniwala sa nakuha natin ngayon. Pagkatapos natin makita yung Nikon D200 sa ukay-ukay, may isang tao naman na nagbenta sa akin ng isang camera set. Nung una, akala ko ordinaryong lumang DSLR lang siya. Kasi alam naman natin ngayon 2026 na, karamihan lumipat na sa mirrorless. Pero nung nakita ko lahat ng kasama niya, napaisip ako, bakit niya binibenta ito? So ito guys yung nakuha natin. Hindi lang isang camera, isang buong camera setup. Meron tayong Canon EOS 70D, isang camera lumabas more than 10 years ago. Pero isa ito sa mga camera na nagbago ng mundo ng DSLR video. Kung matagal na kayo sa YouTube or photography, siguro kilala nyo na itong Canon 70D. Ito ay isang pinaka-popular na camera dati ng mga content creator. Bakit? Meron siyang flip screen, magandang Canon colors, at isa ito sa mga DSLR na nagpakilala ng Canon Dual Pixel Autofocus. Kaya maraming YouTuber noon na gumamit ng ganitong camera. Pero guys, bago ko siya gamitin, curious ako, gaano kaya ito nagamit after all these years? Kaya, chinek natin yung shutter count niya. At dito ako nagulat, only around 2,800 shutter count lang. Imagine, isang camera na more than 10 years old pero halos hindi nagamit. Para siyang natulog lang sa ilang taon at ngayon, bibigyan natin ulit ng bagong buhay. Pero guys, hindi pa yan yung dahilan kung bakit sobrang sulit itong nakuha natin. Ang pinaka nagulat ako, yung may mga kasamang lens. Meron tayong Canon EF-S 18-135, perfect na all-around lens para sa travel, family, videos at everyday shooting. Meron din tayong Canon 40mm f2.8 pancake lens. Sobrang liit pero sobrang sharp. Perfect pang street photography. At meron din tayong zoom lens na Canon 55-200mm.
The ground beneath my feet keeps rolling under me, and I try to catch my breath, but the dust is hard to breathe. How many hours since I last saw your face? It's been a long night just waiting for the light, but it feels like days. It's all behind. All I know. Looking back, seeing smoke. Take me home. I don't know.
Pero guys, ito yung hindi ko talaga in-expect na kasama.
But I go.
Yung Canon EF 35mm f1.4L. Para sa hindi nakakaalam, yung red ring ng Canon, hindi yan basta design lang. Ito yung professional L-series lens ng Canon.
been there. It's all behind. All I know. Looking back.
So ang tanong, magkano ko nakuha lahat ito? Canon 70D na may kasamang 18-135 kit lens, 40mm pancake, 55 to 200mm at ang Canon 35 f1.4L. Nakuha natin lahat for around 20,000 pesos. Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi yung isang lens pa lang dito, sobrang sulit na.
That I know.
Pero syempre guys, hindi porket mura ibig sabihin maganda na. Ang totoong tanong, sulit pa ba gamitin ang lumang DSLR ngayong 2026? Kaya subukan natin itong 70D na may kasamang 35mm L series.
What's up ahead? Yes, I go, yes, I go. I will go. I will go. I will go.
After ko gamitin itong camera, na-realize ko, hindi lahat ng magandang camera kailangan bago. Minsan, yung lumang camera, may karakter, may history, at pinaka-importante, gusto mong gamitin. And before we end this video guys, I want to share something special. As someone who loves cameras, photography, and filmmaking, I'm starting a new journey in one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Introducing Siquijor Camera House, a camera rental service made for travelers, vloggers, and creators visiting Siquijor. Soon you can rent cameras, lenses, and creator tools, from simple travel cameras, vlogging setup, up to cinematic creator packages. So even if you travel without bringing your own gear, you can still capture amazing memories, because when you visit a beautiful place like Siquijor, don't just explore the island. Capture your story. Our rental service is coming soon, so please support us by liking and following our official Facebook page, Siquijor Camera House. Be part of our journey from the beginning. Rent, shoot, and explore. Kayo guys, kung may magbebenta sa inyo ng ganitong camera set for 20,000 pesos, kukunin nyo ba? O mas pipiliin nyo pa rin ang bagong mirrorless? Comment nyo sa baba. If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. See you sa next video natin guys.